Just opened his stocking. Bryce, tell it, what did you get in your stocking?
And I said there were two. It was coloring crayons and a new CD.
Yeah, and toothpaste.
Yep, toothpaste too. Like Santa.
Okay, I know. I told you he might not be able to eat it all.
No, he just ate one of it, and then and now it's all gone.
Yeah.
How about this one?
Okay. Whoa, this is huge. This is a huge red.
Open it really fast. Don't peek.
Lego!
Legos, let's see. You needed more. Oh my word, is it a castle Lego?
Yes, yes! That's what I wanted for Christmas. Look at what it is.
Legos. Wow, really cool.
It's a big full of Legos.
I can't wait to open that and play that.
Which one should I do now, Daddy?
We'll sit on down, Daddy. We'll pick one out, okay?
Okay. I'll pick out
This one.
Oh boy.
what do I do this one?
I don't know, buddy. Look at Mama real quick. Love you.
It's another train.
What's his name?
What's his name?
Does it say it on there, Daddy?
His name. Flip it around. The other side. Here, let me see. Bash.
Bash. Bash or dash?
Bash. B.
Bashful.
That
How
one?
about this one?
That's a cool one, I bet. I can tell.
I don't know what's in this one, Mama.
Remote control car.
Yes, thank you, Daddy.
Wow.
Wow.
It's like a Chuck one, Bryce.
Yeah, right.
Does it look like a good one?
Yeah,
It has a remote. It came with a remote. That's pretty neat.
but I
Put it over by your Legos.